Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris, aka the Fairy Fro Mother. Today I'm going to be talking about using nature's gift to relieve stress and hair problems. If you are not new to this channel, you already know that for me and my hair care line, we hold seeds and herbs in high esteem. Now, whether we accept it or not, in today's fast paced world, stress has become an all present companion for many, impacting physical and mental well being. Amidst the myriad of stress management strategies, herbal teas have emerged as a natural and calming remedy. I have a full video on how stress and anxiety affects hair growth, affects hair health, how it has delayed people's progress in their hair journeys, how it has affected hair growth beyond our imagination. You should go see that video. These infusions derived from various plants not only tantalize taste buds, but also offer a holistic approach to reducing stress. Chamomile tea, one of the most renowned herbal teas for stress reduction. Derived from the chamomile flower, it is celebrated for its mild, apple-like flavor and gentle sedative properties. The tea contains compounds like apigenin that binds the specific receptors in the brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, just what we need. Sipping a warm cup of chamomile tea has become a cherished ritual for those seeking solace from the day's stresses. I am currently having a cup of chamomile tea as I speak. Lavender tea, known for its aromatic essence, lavender extends its calming influence into the realm of herbal teas. Lavender tea makes made from dried flowers of the lavender plant has been praised for its ability to alleviate stress and promote better sleep. Its soothing properties can be attributed to the presence of linalool, a compound that exerts a calming effect on the nervous system. Stress-related conditions like alopecia areata can benefit from the stress relieving properties of lavender tea. A steaming cup of lavender tea offers a fragrant and tranquil escape from the chaos of daily life. Peppermint tea, one of my favorites. Peppermint tea with its invigorating and minty flavor is not just a palate of pleasantness, but it also relieves stress. It is a stress relief ally. Rich in menthol, this herbal infusion acts as a muscle relaxant, easing tension and reducing stress-induced headaches. The act of sipping on peppermint tea provides a refreshing pause, helping individuals to recalibrate their minds and unwind. What about ginger tea? Ginger tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate stress-induced inflammation in the body. Reduced inflammation may positively affect the hair follicles and create a healthier environment for hair growth. Valerian root tea. Valerian root tea, though possessing a somewhat earthy taste, is revered for its potent stress-relieving properties. Valerianic acid, found in valerian roots, interacts with the neurotransmitters in the brain. Isn't that interesting? Promoting a sense of tranquility and relaxation. Consumed in the evening, Valerian root tea can be a natural remedy for those seeking a peaceful night's sleep after a hectic day. Now, adaptogenic teas like ashwagandha teas, they have gained popularity for their stress modulating effects. Ashwagandha tea, derived from the roots of the ashwagandha plant, helps the body to adapt to stressors and maintain balance. By regulating cortisol levels, ashwagandha tea promotes a calm state of mind, offering respite from the pressures of life. Herbal teas stand a testament to nature's ability to provide remedies for the ailments of modern living. Chamomile, lavender, peppermint, valerian root, and adaptogenic teas offer a diverse array of flavors and therapeutic benefits, inviting us to partake in a soothing ritual that transcends the act of mere hydration. As we navigate the complexities of our daily routines, embracing calming influence of herbal teas becomes not just a choice, but a mindful commitment to our well-being. So, let us sip stress away. One herbal infusion at a time, and rediscover the serenity that lies within the comforting warmth of a teacup. I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.